In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. Canva has a 30-day free trial you can use, but what a lot of people don't know is that the trial resets after a while. So instead of paying every month or every year, I use the free version. Then when I need a Pro feature, I sign up for the free trial and utilize the Pro feature. Then I cancel before they charge me. And after a while, I can sign up for the trial again. This way you can use Canva Pro without paying for it. That being said, I don't use Canva every day, and if you're a frequent user, you should consider paying for the Pro version. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the free trial. You just go into their main dashboard, and as you can see here, it says get another free trial. That's because I used it before. Just monthly, and then get your free trial. And that's it. And don't forget to cancel it if you don't want to be charged. I'll show you in the settings how you do it. Do it right away. Billing and plans. Then just cancel plan.